This your boy B with the beard, and the truth lives here. On this episode, I want to talk about 5 ways that you can promote a healthier and thicker beard, plus you can stimulate beard follicles. These 5 things. So let's get right into it. Number 1, massage your beard. Make sure you use oil, balm, or butter to massage your beard. The second thing is steam. You can either get you a personal facial steamer, or you can go out and get you a terry cloth hand towel, such as this, run it under some hot water, and then apply it to your beard for up to 2 to 5 minutes. Not only would it help with the moisture retention, but it also would help with softening your beard, especially if you have low porosity. And then the third one is hot oil. You definitely can take some oil. Some people like to put it in a microwave. I don't have a microwave, but you can heat up your oil. The fourth thing that you can do is use a brush, comb, or wooden pick. You can use either one of those 3 or all 3 of them. Number 5, working out. Getting the body, moving your body would definitely help to increase blood flow, circulation, thus stimulating the follicle to grow a healthier and thicker beard. Well, I hope those 5 ways help you. Again, this is one piece of the puzzle, but that's something that you can try. It doesn't happen overnight. It is a journey. It is being consistent. It is being making a true commitment. All right. Well, listen, if you find that these tips have helped you, please leave your comments at the bottom. Hit the thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. This your boy B with the beard. As always, you already know I'm out.